Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one clear reference photo and a few Ghibli examples. Think color, soft light, and texture. Once done, open Grok's image generation mode and set the resolution to 2048 if you want detail, or 1024 for faster results. Then write a focused prompt. Describe mood, palette, brushy texture, filmic grain, and light direction. Include camera lens and composition, portrait, 3/4, wide, so Grok maps style to photo geometry. Now send the first render and save the output for iteration. Next, refine Grok's parameters to push a true Ghibli look. Increase steps to about 40 to 60 for richer brush detail and set sampler that favors soft gradients. Then expand your prompt with explicit tokens like hand-painted watercolors, cell shading, warm golden hour light, and subtle film grain at 0. 8. Use mask tools to protect facial features, then paint over hair and clothing to add brush strokes. Iterate 3 to 5 times, adjusting color temperature and saturation until silhouettes and lighting read like a storybook frame. Finally, pick your best render and export at full resolution. Do light post-processing, gentle sharpening, subtle film grain, and slight color curve to match reference palette. If faces are uncanny, reduce stylization strength, supply a closer facial reference, or use targeted inpainting to correct eyes and mouth. If colors drift, specify white balance and include a neutral swatch in the prompt, then re-render. Keep iterations small. Small consistent changes converge faster, so you end with a believable Ghibli-style photo ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.